Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga.
Eyakachoyinga ko mukwano kukyali mukula program y'okwanjula n'embaga wano ku Delta TV tukole ebera obulwa Sunday saa zibera 11 mpaka emu era nga gamba wano wenkoledde obuliri bwentuddeko ndi mu Golden Snail Room wanene ku Malakai Ecology ekitende banango ino okusulako wano oba okitegeera sulawoko okitegeera okyuseko ku bulamu nembera mbadde baagalana nga mbadde ewaka watama mujje musuleko ku Malakai Ecology obulamu bukyuke mufune ne kumboze empya naye gwe biseera ne munyumi ya buzannyo na mupiira mujjeko ko Malakai Ecology ekitende musuleko mu room bweziti ate munange bwe yagali bulamu bwa kiseera Malakai Ecology esangibwa kitende mukwano essimu zaabwe kweziri osobola okukolera birthday party graduation party yonna ogula buguzi byakulya ekifo bakuwa kyabwerere nenyogera okugamba nti banafe abanjovu estates balina ettaka amayumba abaagala okugula zifaamu banafe abanjovu estates babirina era nga basangibwa wali eri ku kizimbe ekya Nansana Business Center ku office eyanjovu estates jukira be bananyini n'enjovu junior school osobola otwalayo mwana wo n'asomerayo naye nga yo ku njovu estates ogula poloti n'osasula mu kibanja mpola ate nga tebaseera bw'omala omukolo bw'oti genda ku njovu bagambe embaga yawedde okwanjula kwawedde kati twagala poloti tusobole okuzimba ennyumba okitegera tugenda okuzaala abaana baffe nga tetuyina we tubateeka njovu estates gye bali Sharita School of Beauty tusomesa abaana eby'enviiri baleeta omwana wo w'obuwala olaba eno mpola toyonoona ssente muleeta asome eby'enviiri tuli ba practical abaana bakigala tubasomesa tubasomesa abaana abataasoma nnyo tubasomesa ate n'abeera bakomye mu class ez'enjawulo tubasomesa wamu n'okubateekamu empisa ez'okweyisa obulungi mu bantu ne customer care okitegeera tuli ku Nkrumah Road Wakoma ezimwe bakiyita Sal Complex kwalina omukolo jangu tutegekera omukolo gwonna ladies and gentlemen tugenda kubeera nga tugenda ffenna mu Western Uganda abaana b'embarara balungi bawanvu balina empisa bamanyi okuseka ate nga bafumbirwa bazungu era nga kulina yabakiikiridde ye none other than Julia Kalyebala Nyawali oba Juliet Nyawali ng'aleese omwami okuva e Norway muzungu bamuyita Thomassen gULLEN okitegeera gULLEN yagambye ebbanga lyetumaze ffenna myaka 10 nonzaalira abaana sisobola kujja bwomu nga benzize ndaba nzija n'ekika kyange kyonna yasitudde maama we taata we ab'enganda baganda be mikwano gye bonabona ne bajja okulaba gye bazaala omulungi we Julia Kalyebala bino nno byabadde mu maka g'omugenzi Eric Kalyebala nga yazaala omwana omuwala oyo era nga tetugenda kulaba ebirabo mu bannaffe abanyankole baba baabireeta dda era n'ensonga lwaki bayambadde gawuni ku mukolo gwabwe nti basooka okukola engagement kakati baadde bakolayo ne ka photoshoot naye ng'omukolo gwabaddemu kuhinjira na giveaway tubalese n'abayimbi ab'enjawulo kakutuuseeko omukolo guno olaba omukwano wakati w'omwana ow'embarara n'omwana ow'ennowe tuva ku Delta TV tukole nze Sharita ayinne iwa
wakatendaba anti nga sitobola kwebakaye obufaananyi n'enkuba nga negeza mawe tambulayi n'omulungi gwemmanyi obulungi bwongo onyumidde mu kaddaali n'obuteefu bw'olina mu mutima gwo okuva eno mu musaayi obwo ninnyesongola buzima nimuhimbisa yebalerugaba agatimani kange horitine kinema wimbedi die I can't believe it is over
ku Delta TV tukole nagambe tukyagenda maaso n'omukolo ogwa okuhinjira wamu nga balinako n'embaga ey'omukyala Juliet Kalyebala n'omwami we era omwami gwendi wano naye ali ne best man Sebo good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You look so smart.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a little excited.
Okay.
So it will be quite yeah.
Best man wants to come in. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're smart too.
Thank you very much.
From which country?
We are from Norway.
From Norway.
Yes.
How is your friend today?
He's excited, I think. He's
What has
a
he
little
been
bit nervous,
telling-
maybe.
What has he been telling you?
Not much.
Yeah.
We have a program, so we will see.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do you really want to see today?
We will see the introduction and all the speaks, and we have food and drinks, and we'll meet Julia's family. And after we will also have the giveaway.
The giveaway.
Yeah.
You mean they already told you everything?
We have the program.
You have the program. That is so good. So where did you guys meet?
We meet in Norway
Okay.
at the bus station.
And what did you see at the bus station?
Yeah, she was a nice lady sitting there, and I just wonder if the bus was leaving from that platform, and we talked, and we're going to the same place, and then we're sitting in the bus together and talk, and we changed number.
Who called first? Who texted first or who called first?
I think she sent me a message first, and I called.
And then what did you tell her?
Now we decided to go for dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you told her what was on your heart.
Yes, we get to know each other, and then I told her I like her a lot.
Ah, that's nice. That's a nice love story.
Yeah.
How long have you been together?
Almost 10 years.
Are you sure? And you
Yes.
you look young. She's even here. Mukwano, ate ng'onyumye nnyo. Mwebale kuleta muzungu soka gomwe hug. I want that hug. The hug is coming. Yeah. Kati mukwano, kati kanziyo kagondi oyimirire wano tuongereze wano. Aha, kati dda wano. So you guys have been together for more than 10 years.
Yeah.
And you look young.
Thank you.
What do you want to tell her even after 10 years today?
I still love her very much.
You still the one I love.
So she's the woman in my life.
Are you hearing? Say it some more.
So and I love everything about her. And she's very nice and kind and friendly. And so she's really, really beautiful from outside to inside.
Wow.
Did you know that? Did you know that he knows that you're very nice?
Yes, he told me. He has been telling me.
No, bambi. Weebale kubeera na mutima mulungi n'okulabika obulungi.
Thank you.
I used to think nti abazungu bwe baagala birala naye naye akyogedde abasajja bye baagala bye bimu.
Eh?
Bambi, what do you want to tell your husband today, my dear?
I want to tell him that I love him so much.
Yeah. You want to tell it in his ear? Yeah, in the ear.
Kjetil, jeg elsker deg.
Tell her in the ear as well.
Jeg elsker deg også, Julia.
Takk.
I want to see that hug. Another hug again. Wow. Okay, Kalinga Webaja.
We have Tian, and he is Julia's boy from before, and he's 19 years, and he will become pilot when he's 20.
Okay.
So 21, he's a pilot, and then he will be Uganda's maybe youngest pilot. So if any flight company hearing this, next year he is applying for a job.
I like the advert. I like the advert for your son.
So I have a daughter. She's here, but I don't know where.
Call Jenny.
She is 4 years old, and she called Jenny, and she's a sweetheart.
Okay.
She's really beautiful.
Do you
Yeah,
have hope of
thank
giving
you.
back to giving birth to more children?
We will see. Not now.
Not now.
No,
Is there any song you want to sing for her that can speak from your heart?
I'm not a singer, so
You're not a singer.
no.
But you can say it, we can play it.
I'm not so good with songs, so yeah.
Do you have any song?
No, we are not good at that.
You're not so
But
good at
those,
songs.
yeah.
Okay. Who loves each other more?
Me.
Look at yourselves and then we see who loves each other more. Who loves each other more?
Really, I think we love each other equal.
Equal. Yeah.
So good. What has made you keep your love for all these years?
I don't know. Maybe we try to talk to each other and find out problems. Communication. So that I think that's important. And you need to feel something from your heart to the other person, even if it's a hard time. Still remember that you love them.
Very nice words. You have very nice words. You guys, this man has very nice words, and I hope you're going to rely on them and use them as well. Mukwano, abawala bali bakwegoma bagamba wachawo mwasanka.
Namujeyo. No way.
Abana nga bayiga abazungu gwekikola otya?
Nange gye nali mbeera era ne mufuneeyo.
Omufuna. Omukuumi otya mukwano?
Mukuumidde mu mukwano. Era omukwano gwe gumukuumye.
Amannya ge yani?
Amannya ge ye Kjetil, Thomassen, gULLEN.
Okay, ate gwe?
Ze Julia.
Julia. Kale webaze ku bantu.
Bannange, nga neebaza abantu bangi. Nsooka kwebaza Ugandan Committee Norway. Bannange kye mwakoze kika. Nzizaako mikwano gyange. Mwenna okuva ku Debbie. Okutuukira ddala ku mwenna asembayo ab'e Norway. Mwakoze kintu ky'amaanyi okulinnya ennyonyi ne muteeka mu tiketi yammwe temugiridde kirala nti oba tugenda ku holiday mujja ku lw'omukolo gwange. Kintu kyakabi kye mwankoledde bambi mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala.
Kakati mukwano tulaba okoze okuhinjira ate eno yambala ne gawuni sofa kati eno gawuni yakubiri. Kiki ekiri mu mukolo guno okubeera nga olinamu gawuni ate olinamu ne tradition?
Okay. Omukolo guno si gwa kugattibwa mpeta. Naye tetwakola engagement party. Ne tugamba nti ate tusobola n'okwambala gowns nga tutwala ebifaananyi. Ate at the same time tujja kwambala culture tetunabituukako emishanana tetunagituukako. Naye nga okusingira ddala papasile kino tukikozerwa ebifaananyi photoshoots.
Best man, what words do you want to tell to this lovely, perfect couple?
I just wish them the very best for this day and the best luck for the future. Thank you. That's all I want to say to you from my heart.
How are you, madam? How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. What is your name?
Thomassen.
Okay, this is my mommy.
Yes.
Okay, this is your mommy and this is your daddy.
Yes.
What do you want to tell them today?
Yes.
Tell them something nice.
Jag älskar dig, mamma.
Chichi chayogedde.
Agambye mama nkwagala. Thank
And
you.
daddy?
Okay, say
nice
something
to
to daddy. Can we see know what it papa?
Jag älskar dig, pappa.
Kale mukwano abametron wantandike nabali wamwena nga muli bulungi wakawaali muli so smart.
Thank you very much.
How are you, dear? Come closer. How are you, dear?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Omugole waffe kuyita atya era lwaki nawe kwoli ku bametron?
Omugole waffe mukwano gwange nnyo. She's like a sister.
Okay.
We share a lot. And we love her so much. Very open and balanced, and she should keep it up. And I bless her new marriage, and I pray to God that this new journey may be of greatness, and that I love her.
Your words are so strong. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Another matron, lady in blue. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Mukwano bakwitani.
Bamita Victoria.
Okay. Omugole omuyita otya?
Omugole mita mukwano gwange, and she's one of my best friends.
That's good. Mwagala mugamba kireere.
Nja kimugamba mu Norwegian because it's much easier for me.
It's okay.
Yeah, Julia, du är en fantastisk kvinna. var veldig snill, omtenksom. Du hyggelig med alle. Du setter pris på vennene dine og mannen din. Ja, veldig bestemt person. Du en god mamma, og vi elsker deg.
Agambienti, I'm going to speak English. Julia, you are a fantastic lady. You are a good mother, and you always value your friends and your husband. And what else did you say? We love you so. I love you so much. You are very thoughtful of others. What else? Basically that.
Kale bambi twanziza nnyo ate ono naye ng'anyumye si betano nnyo bakuyitane mukwano
nze Linda nze Linda abakale abasinga bampita Lydia.
You look so smart.
Thanks.
Omugole ayagala mugamba ki leero?
Omugole nti aleme expressinga wabula aconcentratinge ku lunaku lwe kuba luno olunaku teruzibwawo olufuna lumu ate mwagaliza olunaku olulungi.
Kale Lydia nawe obeera nowe?
Nedda. England.
Obeera England. Muli mutyeyo kafiga
tuli bulungi.
Kale n'omukyalo ono naye ajje? Yes dear. Okay. How are you dear?
I'm good, enjoying the tradition.
I can see. And you look so smart.
Thank you so much.
What is your name?
I'm Aurora.
Okay. From which country?
I'm from England.
From England. Mwaze babiri nono?
England,
okay.
Yes.
Okay. What do you want to tell our bride today?
I hope, even if it rains, well, me personally, I'm coming from Romania, so when it rains, it means richness in your marriage, in your family, fortune, a lot of children, and a lot of happiness.
Yeah.
So I wish her all the best and happy marriage. I know she's been happy, but now it's going to be, in front of everyone. It's going to be, tight.
Are you married yourself?
No.
So you're waiting for
the right man.
The right man.
Maybe your brother. So we better,
Do you want a Ugandan man? We can get you.
Why not? Look at me.
Describe how he should look like.
So, how the man should look like.
Yes.
Oh, I don't know. Well, I think it's better you just post this and then we'll see who's
Do you want to give us your number?
Oh, yeah. Well, I can give maybe my Instagram. That's easier.
Okay.
So my Instagram is Aurora Moldovan. So whoever likes me, please follow me.
Kale mula mwewangulidde omuzungu ntova ku Delta TV tukole katongera okunyumirwa nkwagala nnyo.
Tine kamoko kiwe na batine kwetenga no mukwaku okukora namana ntanabe bitotetenge echorerende mishopine nechawe ndio wawe tutyo tuture tini banja lyona kuyawe lyo kukunda no manyarwanga kankunda no bunda kantora na mbo wawe jerizoba kulteka tekiwa kakutora na ngobo wanje ebyawe nibyo byanje niwe wanje nizaba lyawe yoya nizaba lyawe yoya nizaba lyawe yoya nizaba lyawe oboninye chongora buzima ni muhimbisa yebarero gaba agatimani kanje oritine cinema with made dare no manyarwanga kankunda no bunda kantora na mbo wawe jerizoba kulteka tekiwa kakutora na ngobo wanje ebyawe nibyo byanje niwe wanje
Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga